In this video, I will be teaching you how you can create this animation. Here we will be dividing into 4 parts. First, let's design our character. For that, create a new blank design. You can use any format. On the left side you will see element. Click on it and search for circle. Or simply press C on your keyboard. Now create a circle. First, we will animate our pac-man frame by frame. Let's change our circle color to yellow. What I want you to do is go to File, then click on Setting, then turn on Guides. Then you will see guides on top and left side. Simply drag to line from top and 1 line from side for accuracy. Again, go to Elements and search for triangle. Change color to white. Bring to the side and rotate it just so it looks like open mouth of pac-man. To maintain accuracy, align just inside the line we made. I will make sure my triangle perfectly aligned. I will bring 1 line from left as shown. Okay guys, our character is shaped. Now we just need to animate it frame by frame. I will lock the position of our circle first. Right-click on the page and duplicate it. On the next page, just make the triangle bit small. To make animation smooth, we have to do this 5 to 6 times. So don't make it very small at the beginning. Duplicate the page and again make it bit smaller. Do this for 3 more times. Or until the mouth of pac-man is not closed. Here is the main part. You should enable duration for your animations. Then click on this icon on the middle of the page and use match and move transition. Set duration to 1 second. Again, make sure duration is on. On transition page, click on apply between all pages. In this way, transition will be applied to all pages. Click on duration and you will see this playhead icon. Click on play and you will see how smoothly pac-man animation works. Reduce the timing of the pages so it animates faster. We have created mouth close sequence. Now let's create mouth open sequence. To do that, again duplicate the page and make the triangle big. Keep on repeating until the mouth is open. Again, apply match and move transition. And you will have your pac-man animation ready. Click on share and download it in MP4 format. After file is downloaded, bring your file back to Canva. Now, we will create new project in YouTube video format. Let me bring the downloaded file back to Canva. What we will do is remove the background. As it requires Canva Pro account, I will show you another free way to remove the background. Until then, change the background color to black. To remove the background, freely use CapCut. Drag your file to CapCut. On the right side, click on Video, then select Remove BG. Select Chroma key, then Color Picker. Increase intensity if needed. Then export the file. Click on Open Folder and bring the edited file back to Canva. Okay guys, now it's time to design our layout. You can do it however you want. Go to Elements and start searching for your assets. I will search for pac-man and use this. Don't worry, we need to animate this as well. and some neon rectangle and start designing. I will use this for my frame. Rotate and duplicate it. And a straight neon line. Duplicate it. Now let's adjust the position for our character. Let's add one straight line. Now add circle. And change its color to yellow. Duplicate the circle. Click on the character. Click on the B icon. Drag the character from one side. Pulse. Let's add another twist. Transparent the coins. And move the animation. And add text. Write text. Change font. Bring transparent rectangle. Create match and move transition. Download the file.